Slipstream take on the most technically difficult challenges in RF and digital domain. We realised that the digital aspects of radio were starting to take over a lot of the elements of work that we were involved with. There's this line between where digital side ends and RF starts, and we sit on that line, and that's our key niche really.
Where we're really focused is hardware that can be adapted and changed through digital reconfiguration.
I think a key area for us is low swap, which is low size, weight and power. We have ambitions to take our products and our services into space applications. So there's big advantages in terms of integrating and physically reducing the size of the product.
We're after the opportunities to fly our payloads in space to understand if they're going to work, if they're going to survive in that environment, or what we need to learn in order to achieve that.
ASTRO is a product that we've been able to develop ourselves off the back of the partnerships and the funding that we've received. It's called a software-defined radio. So it's got flexibility, it's kind of heart really. You can go in and change the software and it'll change the way the radio behaves, and it can generate radio signals up to 6 gigahertz in this sort of completely flexible way. So you can imagine if you had something that was in space, it'd be very difficult to go and get it, bring it back, physically change it. But if you can have a communications link to it, you can upload different firmware and different software and change the way it physically behaves. The payload that we're wanting to take into space is a digital beamforming platform. Digital beamforming means the ability to form a sort of focus beam of radio waves to behave like a parabolic dish antenna, but without having to have the physical size. So you can do like electronic tricks to form a beam and focus a beam in a particular area, which is very advantageous for communications, essentially.
We see our technologies being deployed mainly in the defence and security sectors, but equally we can see the technology has great application in the commercial world in terms of new space and sensing and communication that will be needed there. We're particularly interested in working with those who maybe have more of a commercial view in terms of how the technology may be used for space debris detection or for more cost-effective surveillance of the ground from space. We're looking for other innovators who will be able to leverage this technology.
Going on this journey to take these products that we've designed ourselves and manufacture them for our customers, that's, I think, is going to be a real growth area for us.